Hello dear students, welcome to a new math session. In this session we'll be talking about multiplying of rational numbers. If we have a over b multiplied by c over d, then you multiply the numerators together and then after that you multiply the denominators together. So it will be a times c divided by b times d. For example, if we have 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 7, numerators together 2 times 5, denominators together 3 times 7, the result is 10 over 21. Remember the sign multiplication rule. Multiplying two rational numbers with the same sign equals positive number. For example, 1/3 times 2 over 5, both are positive, the result is positive. So it's 2 over 15. Negative 2 over 7 times negative 1 over 3, the result is also positive as 2 over 21. Multiplying two rational numbers with different signs, one of them is positive and the other is negative, this will equal a negative number. As an example here, negative 1 over 9 times 2 over 3, the result is negative 2 over 27. Exercise number 1. Find each of the following in the simplest form. Negative 5 over 8 multiplied by 3 over 2, you're going to multiply the negative 5 by the 3 and the 8 by 2. So it's negative 15 over 16. Question B. Negative 3 over 7 multiplied by negative 4 over 5. For sure it will be positive 12 over 35. Question C. 2 over 9 times negative 1 over 9, it's negative 2 over 81. Exercise number 2 is a different type of question. The question here is asking you to find the value of x. 5 over 7 multiplied by 1 will give you 10 over 7. So you do 5 over 7 multiplied by what over what will give you 10 over 7. So 10 times what equals 7? It's 1. 5 times what equals 10? So it is 2. So x equals 2 over 1, which is 2. This question, what over what times negative 5 over 12 equals 5, which is 5 over 1. The result is positive, so it is negative. And then after that, how can we get this? Yes, excellent. How can you make this as 12? You multiply up and down by 12. So here it is a fraction, or actually it's a negative fraction, multiplied by negative 5 over 12 will give you 60 over 12. So in this case, here is the 1 and here is the 12. So for this question, x equals negative 12. What times negative 5 over 7 to give you 0? For sure, x equals 0 because 0 times any fraction is equal to 0. Exercise number 3, we have the three values of a, b, and c. The question wants us to find the value of each of the following. So, in this one, a times b times c plus 3. Let's evaluate what's a. A is 3 over 4. Change it into fractions, so a will be 7 over 4 multiplied by the b, which is 12 over 7, multiplied by the c, which is 2 over 3. All of these is added to 3. To simplify this, the 7 will be crossed out with the 7. Divided by 4, it's 1. Divided by 4, it's 3. And then the 3 and the 3 will be crossed out together. So this is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Again, let me simplify this again. The three fractions multiplied together, 7 over 4 times the 12 over 7 times the 2 over 3. 7 divided by 7, it's 1. You check for the 12. The 12 divided by 4, it's 3. The 4 divided by 4, it's 1. And then the 3 divided by 3, it's 1. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. So what's left for us is 2 over 1, which is 2. Here is the 2 that I'm talking about. Question 2, A, which is 7 over 4, multiplied by B, which is 12 over 7, and then we subtract C, which is 2 over 3. 7 over 7 are crossed out together, so it's 12 over 4 minus 2 over 3. We multiply this by 4 up and down, and this by 3 up and down. So it's 36 over 12 minus 8 over 12. Then the result is 28 over 12 divided by 4 divided by 4. So it is 7 over 3, and this is the final result. Absolute value of negative 3 over 7 is 3 over 7 multiplied by negative 4 over 3. To do this one, it is negative 3 times 4 over 7 times 3. You can easily cross out the 3 with the 3, so it will be negative 4 over 7. Question B, absolute value of negative 1 and 1 over 2. So this one is an absolute value of negative 3 over 2 multiplied by the absolute value of negative 5 over 3. Absolute value, it always produces positive, so it's 3 over 2 times 5 over 3. To do this one, it's 3 times 5 over 2 times 3. Cross out the 3 with the 3. The result is 5 over 2. Question C. 2, 3 over 4. Change it into a fraction, so it will be 11 over 4 times negative 16 over 5. When we multiply these together, it's 11 times negative 16 over 4 times 5. To simplify, divided by 4, it's 1. Divided by 4, it's 4. So it is negative 44 over 5. Question D. Change this into a fraction. It's negative 30 over 7 times negative 49 over 6. To simplify this, it's negative 30 times negative 49 over 7 times 6. Divided by 7, it's 1. Divided by 7, it's 7. Divided by 6, it's 1. Divided by 6, it's 5. So it's negative 5 times negative 7. That's a positive 35. At this point, dear students, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much and wishing you best of luck.